Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Today we will discuss the difference of psychology as being a science or social science. Exactly not difference, but actually how it combines science and social science together itself. So psychology being a science, it uses scientific research methods and it uses objective analysis, which we all have discussed earlier also. It make use of physical sciences and biological sciences itself, because when we study about human biology, we study about neurons, we study about brain and its functioning, nervous system, all these and the physical biological structure. These things are all taken from the physical and biological sciences. Psychology cannot go about deciding something about human behavior without actually going through the physical and biological basis of that behavior. It also offers you MSc and BSc courses. When you go out after your 12th, you can do your graduation in bachelor's of science or also master's in post graduation. Then psychology relies on scientific experiments, because whatever experiments are done, those are very scientific, done in a controlled situation. So everything is controlled and everything is very objectively analyzed. The data is collected very systematically. There are different types and methods of collecting data, which are collected like through interview or maybe through questionnaire, and different types of methods are used, and these things are used to find the cause and effect. So the goal of a researcher in psychology is to find the cause or effect. So effect is what the behavior which one is showing, and what is the cause of it, what are the reasons that behavior is showing. So the purpose is to find out the cause and effect and the relationship between the two events maybe. It also applies hypothetical deductive model. Now what is this model? This model says that we have to form a hypothesis. Hypothesis is a very important term which you should know. Hypothesis means you are making a tentative statement about the cause of a certain behavior, and now you have to prove your statement. So first you are making certain statements, or you can form multiple hypotheses. So you can say that these are the reasons of certain type of behavior. Now applying that hypothetical deductive model, you will have to verify your statement, verify your hypothesis, and you will have to find out which one is actually true. So your way of performing the experiments and collecting data, analyzing data, and lastly you have to analyze the results and find out the conclusion. We also use some statistical procedure here, and we apply some descriptive analysis also. Depending on that, we finally come to one conclusion which tells you about the final reason or cause of the behavior. So this is how hypothetical deductive model works. This was all about psychology being a science. Coming to psychology being a social science, because we are talking about human behavior here. We cannot ignore human being a social animal, and social science being a subject focuses on the interaction of people with each other and the influence of society and culture, everything. So same way, when we are talking about human in psychology, the behavior, we are focusing on human behavior, so we cannot ignore the social aspects of human behavior. Everything we see and the way we behave, everything is dependent on our socialization process and our experiences. And experiences are very subjective. We all have different interpretations of different experiences, we have different opinions, we give different viewpoints. So it is all very subjective, and it is all due to our particular socialization patterns, our culture, our background, everything. So being social science, psychology make use of social and cultural sciences also. It uh, it offers you MA and BA also when you go out for your graduation and post graduation. So a psychology student can also go for MSc BSc and also for BA and MA, whatever he wants to pursue further. Now it studies interaction between people, that I've already told you, that we study the interaction between the people in a group in social psychology, specifically how we interact in a group and individual, the influence of group on an individual, maybe the influence of two groups on each other. So the collection of people and the change of behavior in an individual due to the presence of certain people and people not being there. So studies behavior of human beings in their socio cultural context. So the social background, economic background, cultural background, everything has to be taken care of before concluding anything about anyone's behavior. So considering human as being social beings, it is very important to say that psychology is not only a science, but it is also a social science which focuses on the behavior of a human being living in a society. So if you have any questions, you can put that in the comments. Thanks for watching.